Welcome to the heart of precision and dedication, where quality meets concrete. Today we take you on an extraordinary journey through the intricate process of crafting the foundation of our world. It all begins with the earth itself. Here raw materials are born from the depths, ready to become the building blocks of tomorrow. The magic happens in the mixing plant. Watch as these ingredients dance together, orchestrated to perfection, creating the recipe for strength and resilience. For laboratory, every batch undergoes rigorous scrutiny. Precision is our mantra, ensuring your structures stand the test of time. From the lab to the field, our concrete takes shape. Skilled hands guide its flow, while time works its magic, turning liquid promise into solid reality. Attention to detail is key. With finesse, we craft surfaces of unmatched quality, ensuring each project's perfection. The final exam. Here our concrete's metal is tested once more. It's only after passing with flying colors that it earns our stamp of approval. Duramix. Stay tuned for more stories of strength and precision.